Hello my friends on YouTube. Today I'm going to be picking this Master Lock number 40. I've picked it before. You can see how I bypass it in my other videos. Today I'm going to be single pin picking it for you on video, and possibly trying to pick it some other ways too. Here's the pick I'll be using. Here's my tension 2. Put it in. And away we go. Should be pretty quick. I usually am on this one. This pin number 1, as you just heard. Or I should say number 4. There's number 3, number 2, and number 1. There you go. We'll close it back up. Next pick I'm going to be trying for you here is this one. You just pretty much put it in and jiggle it around. It should pop the lock open. Sometimes you gotta flip it the other way. And there you go. All opened up. Next pick I'll try for you real quick here is using this one with the hook towards the pins. I don't know if this is gonna work too good. I never can get it on video, but I'll try. It's hard to get in them pins. And there we go. So there you go, 3 ways on camera. And just to show you, this is the bitting for the key, and this is the key for this lock. Figure out how to get a bit pick in, but I can't figure out how to get a key in. There you go. Well, there you are, folks. Hope you enjoyed my videos. Please check out my other videos, and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Just gonna put my key back on here so I don't lose it. Maybe not. Maybe not. Jesus, I get a pick in a hole, but I can't get a damn key ring out. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.